Here question is a faulty thermometer has fixed points marked as 5 degree and 95 degree. That means 5 degree is the minimum reading and 95 degree is the maximum reading of that faulty thermometer. Now temperature of the body measured by that faulty thermometer is this much. So if we consider that faulty thermometer is X, then reading of that faulty thermometer is this much. So reading minus minimum reading divided by maximum minus minimum is always constant, and we have to find out this thing means the correct temperature of the body in Celsius scale. So if this is constant, means this will be same for centigrade scale also. That means C minus 0 divided by maximum minus minimum. Now X means 59, minimum reading is 5 degree divided by 95 minus 5 is equals to C by 100. Now if you simplify further, so it will give you 54 divided by 90 is equals to C by 100. Now after cancelling 1 0 and 9 6 54, so C will be equals to 60 degree centigrade. So in centigrade scale we will get 60 degree centigrade in centigrade scale. So whatever the temperature was in the faulty thermometer, that will be read by the Celsius scale as 60 degree centigrade. This is the correct answer of this question. Okay, thank you.